Welcome to Cleaning Chatter. I am Sharon Tinberg, owner of Rags to Riches. Cleaning Chatter is a venue created for owners who might have the desire to talk about the least talked about subject in the residential cleaning industry: how to clean a house. Why is that? I've checked 5 events, seminars, training sessions, even convention last fall, and some to come, their agendas and their presentations. Not a one had a single subject on house cleaning. Again, why is that? Do we hate what we do so much that when we finally get to leave our offices, the last thing we want to talk about is how to clean a house? Marketing ideas, bring them on. Computers, sure. Software ideas, absolutely. And after a few cocktails, we might even be willing to talk occasionally about a vacuum cleaner. But house cleaning, never. So again, why is that? Perhaps you don't think house cleaning is your problem for growth. That has nothing to do with the fact that you're not growing. I don't know. I've never been in houses that you clean. And it's not important whether or not I know. What is important is that you know. I have visited many offices across the country and spot checked, no, deep checked many of the repeat customer homes while I was training. And believe me, 80% of those homes would not be my repeat client when I owned my cleaning service. The owners weren't surprised because they wouldn't have had me out there if they thought their cleanings were excellent. If you do not know, get out and find out. If you haven't been out there in a while, I recommend you pick 5 houses. Houses that you've been cleaning for 4 months or longer since your deep clean, that are weekly or bi-weekly clients so they get your best service. Walk in the door, all you have to do is check the door facings, the frames, and the electrical plates next to the doors, the on and off switches. If those are clean, chances are the rest of the house is clean. If those are dirty, chances are your house cleaning is part of your growth problem. It is our hope at Rags to Riches that Tuesday and Thursday short videos in our newsletter, followed up by discussion on our Facebook page, will bring house cleaning out in the open, out of the closet in this industry, and it will help you with your efficiency and your quality when you are cleaning your houses. Because that really is where the money is. The quality will help you grow, and the efficiency will drop directly to your bottom line. What would it be like if you could save 15% of your payroll and increase the quality of your cleanings? Little hints that you will learn through Facebook friends, on videos in the newsletter, could change your business. So I hope I see you Thursday for Cleaning Chatter, when our first topic will be cleaning claws. Thanks for joining me.